Hello, my name is Ashwin and in this video I will show you how to use ResoBin. ResoBin is a site developed by DevCom and Student Support Services in which reviews and resources for various programs and courses offered by IIT Bombay have been compiled and organized. This year, the reviews for the minors and honor courses in the course information booklet have been compiled on ResoBin. To start, we go to resobin.gymkhana.iitb.ac.in. If you are not already signed in, it will ask you to log in via SSO. After signing in, you will be taken to this authorization page. First, fill your profile by clicking the link over here and then click authorize. After authorization, you will be taken to the home page of ResoBin. This contains links to some of the more popular courses organized by number of review requests, number of resource requests, and number of people who have added it as a favorite. To go to a particular course, click on the Courses tab on the menu to the left. Now you can enter the name of the course in the search bar to get to the course. You can also sort the courses by departments, slots, semesters, credits, tags, etc. Let's take PH108 for example. On clicking on the course, you get a short description of the course containing the workload, the number of credits, etc. On scrolling down, you can see reviews and resources for the course. On clicking this button, you can add the course as a favorite. You can also add the course to your timetable. To view the courses which are your favorites, you go to the favorites tab on the menu on the left. As you can see, the course we have selected is present. To view the courses in the timetable, just click on the timetable tab in the left menu. As you can see, the course we have added is present. To view the reviews for honors or minors programs, you can click on their respective tabs present in the menu on the left. On clicking these, you will be taken to a page listing all the minors available, and on clicking the minors or honors, you will be taken to the page of the program, which contains a short description of the program and the basket of courses available for this program. On scrolling down, you will also see reviews for this program.